Hello student, welcome to the lecture. In this lecture we are going to discuss the metals, metal ions in medicine, use of chelating agent and various metallo or matrix metalloproteins. Now let's discuss what is meant by the metalloproteins. As we know that the metal play a very important and vital functions in many biological processes. It also used as a treatment in various therapies and in biological systems. Now, in this lecture or in this session, we are going to discuss the metals which are used in various session purposes. Let's discuss metals and so firstly, what is meant by before going to discuss what are the various metals in various diagnosis and in treatment methods. Now we are going to discuss what is meant by the metalloproteins. Inorganic metalloprotein inorganic elements. So essential for organic as cofactor is known as metalloprotein. So we know that there are various metals which are used in various diagnostic and in treatment purposes. So let's discuss one by one. In first we are going to discuss so these are the various metalloproteins, that is inorganic elements are also essential for organic life as a cofactor is known as a metalloprotein. Technetium is the most commonly used radioisotopes for imaging purposes, whereas the gadolinium and manganese ions are used as a MRI agents. Gallium is used as a source of positron for positron emission therapy or therapy. Yes, cobalt is used with compound bleomycin, which used as an antibiotic. Platinum, as we know that the cisplatin is an anti-cancer agent. Zinc can be used to heal wound, and the gold complexes is used in rheumatoid arthritis. Silver is used to prevent the infection. And the next one, that is bismuth. Bismuth is used as an antacid. So these are the various metals: bismuth, gadolinium and manganese, then gallium, cobalt, platinum, zinc, gold, silver. These all complexes have these various applications. Now let's discuss what is meant by the chelating agent and use of chelating agent. Agent. Chelating agents are nothing but the agents which can bind to the central metal atom through two or more than two donor sites. Due to this donation, the in complex there is a formation of ring, and this is known as a chelate. The resulting complex is called as a chelate, and the process is called as a chelation, and the chelation done by the agent is known as a chelating agent. Now let's discuss the uses. The first use of chelating agent is that chelation therapy is an antidote for poisoning by mercury, arsenic and lead. Chelating ligand can convert this metal ion into chemically and biochemically form, which is easily excreted the second one. Chelating agent of gadolinium is used in MRI contrasting agent. In medical application, we can say that chelating agent in the intestinal tract is a cause of numerous infections between metal ion and drug. In nutrition, homogeneous catalyst is used as a chelating agents. In industry, as we know that citric acid, that is chelating agent, is used to soften the water in soap and detergents. Then metal chelate compounds are the components of fertilizer. So it is used as a micronutrient. So these are the uses of chelating agent. Now let's discuss what is meant by the matrix metalloproteins. Now let's discuss matrix metalloproteinases. The matrix metalloproteinases are calcium dependent zinc containing endopeptidases. These enzymes are capable of degrading all kinds of extracellular protein known as MPPS, that is matrix metalloproteinases. So these MPPS, matrix metalloproteinases, have a domain-like structure. It play a very important role, or the main function MPPS is bone modeling, like remodeling, tissue remodeling processes like morphogenesis, so these are all about the matrix metalloproteinases. Now firstly we are going to discuss what is meant by the cellular response by metal containing drug. So the cellular response is nothing but can be extremely rapid for example a change membrane potential which occur within so these are nothing but the cellular responses. Now these cellular responses can be modified by the metal containing drug, for example cisplatin. That is example we taken as cisplatin. As we know that the cisplatin can responses the cellular modulation very effectively than the transplatin, and it can bind the DNA strand more effectively than the transplatin. So let's discuss about the how the modulation will occur in cells by the cisplatin depending upon cell type. Cisplatin induce cytotoxicity, interference in DNA replication via induction of apoptosis or mediated by activation of various signal transduction pathways, including calcium signaling mediated by calcium signaling, death signaling activation of mitochondrial pathway. Biochemical mechanism of cisplatin is triggered by cell may lead to design of more efficient underuses which reduce the side effect by modulation in cell response. So these are all about this modulation of cell responses by metal containing drug. Thank you.